Hi there everybody, and welcome to another video. On today's video I have this BMW Series 2, the active Terror one, and I'm going to be changing the pollen filters, the interior cabin pollen filters. So as you may be able to see, I have these two here because it's two of them in there, and basically we have to access them from the driver's side footwell area. And I'm just going to accommodate myself. Okay, so these are the filters I'm using, the Malay ones. There's two of them, and just something to make a note is look at the airflow. There's a little arrow there for airflow, so we have two, same idea. And when you remove those, the ones in there, make a note of the airflow arrow, because that will sort of, then you can fit yours in the same position and you don't have to be trying to work out which way the air is coming from. So we want to remove this panel with a T20 Torx screw, Torx socket here. I've undone that little screw there and take it out. And then you can remove this panel. It basically just unplugs from there and in there. Right at the back here. So right at the back, there's this little flap here, this little tip. You press it and you open it. Should be able to take it out. That's where your pollen filters are sitting. You can just about see them. Okay. So check the airflow there. The airflow arrow is pointing inwards into the car. And the other one is sitting just sort of below. Funny thing is that this one, the arrow, it's the other way. So these ones here are the BMW genuine filters, and this filter here is slightly different to the one I have actually. So this is like a pollen filter, but this is also an antibacterial filter. So this is a little bit more, if you buy one of these, it's a bit more expensive, but it kind of it technically filters bacteria as well as pollen and that kind of thing, whereas these ones are a bit more flimsy. They're just pollen filters, as in they just filter dust and pollen basically. So but you can get the micro antibacterial sort of filters as well. Can't quite see the part number in there. Maybe in the other one you can see the part number on this one. I think 6431 6823716. This is a man filter, but BMW usually uses man filters. So anyway, then you get your new filter and slide it in there. So obviously one has to go below. And the other one has to go just above that. It may need to be a little bit squished and whatnot, but they do sort of spring open once they are in place. Okay, that's in there. Now we have a cover. Sometimes the most difficult part is fitting the cover. Alright, there we are. That's the cover. And the little screw. You can just tighten that by hand. It's just a little screw that goes into plastic anyway. Okay, with that done, we're pretty much done. We can get rid of these filters, and that's it. So apart from having to bend a little bit in different ways, it's not really that terrible to do. So having said that, I hope the video helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you all in the next video. So thank you for watching.